I have been that person that's been stranded on the road, and it sucks. And I like to have everything ready and my emergency gear ready to go just in case anything happens.
Being stranded on the side of the road, something most people experience at least once in their lifetime. And for Maricopa County native Travis Timmons, he's determined to make sure that never happens again, especially when traveling during the busy holiday season.
I go to a lot of places where I don't know the roads very well, so I'm very big on mapping out my route before I go on a trip. I like to see the distance and how long it's going to take from point A to point B. I also print my maps too, because just in case I have something with my phone or whatever, I have like a printed copy of it.
To make sure he's as prepared as possible, Travis relies heavily on the Maricopa County Department of Transportation and the Department of Emergency Management's resources.
If I'm planning a longer trip, I like to get on the maricopa.gov website the night before and just to see if there's any alerts, any hazards, any type of slowing, so I can better plan my day.
And with holiday travel about to be in full force, these resources will be pivotal. For more tips and updates, visit maricopa.gov/ready and maricopa.gov/transportation.